divinity is impartial. It is omnipresent and equally present in all. It is not that Lord Krishna, manifestation of divinity, is partial to the Pandavas and not towards the Kauravas. The Pandavas sought the help of the divine, changing their nature, being devoted, but the Kauravas, although sought the help of the divine, they did not change their own nature. Rather, they wanted to fulfill their wish only by seeking the help, not by changing their nature. We have discussed the Kauravas, headed by Duryodhana, sought the help of Lord Krishna, but in a completely different way as Arjuna did. A true seeker wants constant company of the divine, or to be with divine, or to merge in divine, or to be one. But ordinary people, even if they tell, I love God, but their love for God is completely selfish, if we do not change our own nature, how can we be truly a devotee? Somebody tells, I am his devotee, I am devotee of Lord Krishna, I am devotee of... There is 2 lines Bengali song which Gurudev used to quote. Kotha bola sahaj, korai kintu shakta, sudhu namer mala, tilak jhola, nilai kyo hai bhakta. It is easy to talk. When we are talking, we talk of God, it is very easy. But to live in that consciousness, to live in constant breath awareness is not so easy. We have to try again and again. Kotha bola sahaj, korai kintu shakta, sudhu namer mala, tirojari, tilak. If you look at the forehead of the monks, the sadhus, you will find different patterns of mark on their forehead. I'll tell one story. I was in the Kumbh Mela of Nasik about 15 years ago. So when I was there, we are coming from the Kumbh Mela side by bus. In the bus, it was all sadhus. Myself, white clothes, clean shaven head with little ponytail, and another friend of mine, my companion to the Kumbh Mela, we went together. He was having his clothes like you, white trouser, white shirt. So he started to sing some devotional song, and that devotional song was dedicated to Lord Shiva. So he was singing, nobody was joining with him. So after his singing was over, then I started singing. Do you know what I sang? I started singing the name of Lord Rama, Sri Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Can you imagine? The bus full sadhus, they joined with me, and they had their tongues, their forceps with iron. With that making the sound, tongue, 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 with the rhythm, making the melody. So my friend whispered near my ear, do you know some magic? I chanted, nobody joined me. You chanted, everybody joined you. I said, have you not seen their forehead? From the forehead, I knew that they are all Ramanandis. They are follower of Lord Rama, because from the forehead you can see one red line and that special way. And if you sing of Lord Shiva near Ramanandis, why they will sing? Because they know that you are Shiva, you are following Lord Shiva. People have their forehead, they have their rosary, they chant, and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa told one story. He told there was a goldsmith having a big jewelry shop, and he had his mark on the forehead as a holy man, having rosary in his hand with gomukhi, that with a cloth bag, small cloth bag, they put the rosary and one finger out and all the time doing like this, Krishna, Krishna, Ram, Ram, Sri Vishnu, whatever he's chanting. So a group of customers came from village and they were looking at the shops, different jewelry shop. They found this man who is putting on this clothes, this mark on the forehead, rosary in the neck, and having a chanting rosary in his hand, and they thought, surely this man is holy, must be good, and we'll have a good deal. They will not cheat us. So they entered. The attendants, the employees, Kesava, Kesava, it means God, God. But it is a symbolic code word between the owner and the employees. Who are these people? Who are these people? Kesava, Kesava. One is God, God. But the inner meaning, who are these people? Now the shopkeeper, the owner is telling Gopala, Gopal. God, God. But the inner meaning is they are the cowherd boys, means stupid. Then they are telling Hari, Hari, God, God, means should we cheat them? Telling high price, telling this is good, Hara, Hara, do it, do it. Outside appearing to be devotees, to be disciples, to be spiritual, but inwardly. If we look at the Pandavas, they are inside and outside. It was the same. There was no duality, no duplicity. Let us think, in our spiritual journey, we should be true to ourselves or we should be maintaining double standard. When we have come to such type of programs, we should be serious, sincere, and strict to ourselves. What I am doing, I have come to this type of course, how should I live? If I have to live a God-conscious life, I should live like the Pandavas, and I should, among the Pandavas, I should be like Arjuna. I should be constantly, it is not physical company, it is constant awareness. I should be always in constant Krishna consciousness.